Hello everyone, this time I want to talk about custom brushes in Blender. That's really important just for my workflow when it comes to making my 3D models and the style and the textures for them. So first you go over into your texture paint mode and then you see your brush right up in the corner. You're just going to create a new brush. In this case you can name it whatever. I named mine brush 1. When you open up the texture mask, you need to basically import a texture that is working as your brush. And so we are going to create that texture really quickly in Photoshop. So I made a 3000 by 3000 plane in black. You can use whatever size, I don't know if it matters, but I use 3000 by 3000. And then I imported a whole bunch of different brushes into my Photoshop already. There's free packs, there's packs you can pay for, whatever. If you have a brush that you like, you can really use that one. I'm creating one like a mix of a lot of different brushes. So basically it's important that the background is black and you are just painting on with a white on top of the black layer, because everything that is white is going to be your brush. So I'm just using different brushes right here to kind of get some customization going when it comes to my brush. I want kind of a rough paintbrush look to my model, so I'm creating something, kind of rough, but I like the style. So this is, you can create something similar, you can create something soft, smooth, whatever you need. Just make sure you paint it in with the white. Anyway, we export this image and then going back to the brush settings, and it should pop up right there in the texture mask. It's important we need to enable the mapping, set it on view plane, and then rake and random, and then we're gonna fall off and select the constant right there. That's basically it for today. I see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications for more. See you next time.